Here is my very special Lego Mindstorms EV3 Cuckoo Clock second time. 这是我的第二代的 Lego Mindstorms EV3 咕咕钟。Here is the clock with hour and a minute hand. 这是时钟，有时针和分针。This is the cuckoo bird that is connected to the clock. 这是布谷鸟，它有连接到时钟哦。Every hour the clock will play the cuckoo sound. 每小时布谷鸟的声音它就会叫出来。The cuckoo clock position when it's coming out is on the hour. When it's on the 30 minute, it is on his original position. 在1小时的时段它是出来的，那如果是在30分钟，也就是半小时，它就是缩回去的。Let's scroll up the time. 然后我就快转。Press the up and down buttons to set the digital time. 按上下钮来设定它显示器中它显示的时间。Press the left and right buttons to set the clock time. 按左右键来设定时钟的时间。There it goes. The clock says 3 o'clock. Thank you for watching, everyone, and subscribe to my channel. 谢谢您的观赏，请订阅我的频道。再见。